Manufacturing industries classification. Now we will study about classification of the industries on the basis of source of raw materials, on the basis of output, size and ownership. First is classification based on source of raw materials. Classification based on source of raw materials. It means the type of raw materials which are used by the different industries. First is agro-based industry. Agro-based industry means the industry which are dependent on agriculture for their raw materials. Like for example, sugar mills, cotton textile, fruit processing industries, dairy, plant, etc. Second type of industry is marine-based industries. It means the industries which derive their raw materials from the aquatic or marine organisms such as fish, shrimps, etc. Third is forest-based industries. These industries signify the processing of product from the forest. For instance, wood is made into paper or timber can be used for various processes. Forest-based industries are those industries which derive their raw materials from the forest. For example, paper industries, rubber industry, resin, gum and tarpaulin making industries. After that, the fourth is mineral-based industries. It means the industries which obtain their raw materials from the process of mining. They use minerals as their raw materials. For example, iron and steel industries, cement industries, petrochemical industries and aluminium units are some of the examples of mineral-based industries. So these four industries are classified on the basis of source of raw materials. Second classification is done on the basis of output. It means what type of production industries are doing. Whether the product are directly consumed by the consumers or it is again processed into another form by the other industry. So on the basis of their output, their production, there are two types of industries. First is the basic industry. Basic industries provide materials which are used by the other industry. It means they provide materials for the other industry. For example, iron and steel industries produce steel which are further used by the other industries. The product of basic industries are not directly consumed or used by the consumers. Second is the consumer goods industries. It means the goods which are directly consumed by the consumer. These goods do not require further modification. Goods like the industries like watchmaking industries, textile mills, electronic good units are the example of the consumer good industry. So on the basis of output, it means the production, there are two types of industries, basic industries and consumer goods industries.